Hey, what's my froze? It's me, GINAMARIE, and in this video I'm here with another product review. If you guys have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscription button and make sure you also hit that bell button so you are notified every time that I upload. As I said in my community sections, I noticed that you guys care more about product reviews than necessarily like hairstyling videos, and so I really want to try to bring more product reviews for you guys. And so in this product review, I'm going to be reviewing the DEVACURL BUILDUP BUSTER Molecular Water Cleansing Serum, which looks like this. Now, this product I was very intrigued by when I first saw it. I think I was searching the DEVACURL's website because I was going to purchase one of their deep conditioners, and I saw it and I have had my eye on it for the longest. But surprisingly, I ended up getting a huge PR box from DEVACURL. And this was in one of the boxes. This video is not sponsored whatsoever. This is just me and my curiosity getting the best of me. So this product is supposed to help. It says, if your hair has lost its mojo due to buildup from products, hard water, or environmental stressors, the Rinse Out Cleansing Serum will bring all curl types back to life. So I typically, when I am clarifying my hair or detoxifying my hair, I typically use Aztec clay mixture with apple cider vinegar. Now, the only thing about the Aztec clay mixture, in order for me to make sure that I thoroughly wash it out my hair, it's best for me to wash it out in my shower. I can do it under the sink, but I always tend to miss spots when I do it under the sink. And when I do it in the shower, it very much clogs up the drainage in my shower. I stay in an apartment and I just don't want those problems, and so I have been very curious about trying other clarifiers in order to get that product buildup out of my hair. I don't really use a lot of gels, and so it really takes quite a few times for me to get product buildup. Typically just shampooing once a week is enough, but the last few weeks I have been doing a little flake. I have been noticing a little flakage when it comes to my scalp, not necessarily on my scalp, but like right around my scalp, but not like my scalp. But so I figured it may be time to do a cleanse. This is typically around the time I will do an Aztec cleanse, but like I said, I wanted to try something different, and I also don't have any Aztec clay. So when they sent this to me, I was like, oh, this is perfect. I'm going to try this. And so that's what I did. So it says what to do. This powerful cleanser uses molecular technology to gently remove buildup from your hair scalp without stripping. Absinthe seed oil and jojoba ester delivers moisture, shine, and head-turning bounce. How to use it. Wet hair in the shower. Use the pointed tip to target the scalp. Massage all over and work it through to the mid-lengths and ends. Rinse thoroughly by massaging as the water runs through the curls. Follow with DEVACURL conditioner or treatment to seal in moisture. Use weekly or as needed in place of a regular cleanser. Now, the last DEVACURL review that I did was a washing style, and I didn't realize DEVACURL had a cult the way they do. Like, I had somebody email me spazzing the fuck out saying I didn't use their products correctly, but I know how to read. Reading is fundamental. So what I did was I took this pointer and I just made sure to apply it all over my scalp with my hair soaking wet, and then I massaged it in. And I'm going to tell you guys, this felt like you could literally kind of feel it's not a tingling sensation, but my scalp felt so lightweight as I was like digging the product out. And then after I got it from my scalp, I put some in my hands and I actually ran it through my actual strands as the directions said. And then I rinsed that product out. Now, like I said, when I rinsed the product out, my hair felt very, very lightweight and my scalp felt clean. Like, it felt like my scalp could breathe. And so I do feel as though this product did do what it says. My hair actually did not feel stripping, and so I feel like that's a really good thing, because I thought this was going to be definitely more of a very stripping product that leaves my hair super dry, but my hair honestly did not feel that way, and so I was very surprised when it came to that. I do see myself using this in substitute of an Aztec clay, at least for now, because I have it and I don't need to go and buy the Aztec clay. Is it better than the Aztec clay? I wouldn't say that, but my scalp did feel extremely clean. but it didn't make my curls pop like the Aztec clay does. So while my hair felt light, and I could definitely feel that there wasn't as much product on my hair as usual, it definitely did not feel like, I didn't see the curls that I saw, like that I see when I do the Aztec clay. So yeah, after I finished using this product, I just went in with their DEVACURL No Decadence conditioner, and I just conditioned my hair and then continued with my wash day routine. If you guys want to see me using more of the DEVACURL's products, I will link my washing style in this video. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you thumbs it up, and I will see you guys in my next video.